Whakapapa, genealogy, it's all about identity, who we descend from. My tribe, Taiohi, have been based in the mighty Te Uruera forest for centuries. Whakapapa isn't just about names on a chart, it's about the rich stories that connect people and place. It's important for all people and all cultures.
Like this place, my kuia have been guides and weavers here for generations. And yes, talent does run in the family.
With young people, it is a must to value and affirm their whakapapa.
It's also important to acknowledge the shared histories between peoples. For example, the impacts of colonisation in Aotearoa.
Acknowledging the whakapapa of young people means exploring how these histories can influence their lives.
By doing this, we can support our rangatahi in understanding more about their tūranga waiwai, their place to stand, their sense of belonging.
Whakapapa e te iwi.
How much do you know about yours?
Ngā mihi.